How to fix Steam error code 102. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you could fix the Steam error code 102. In order to fix the Steam error code 102, at first you need to open the Steam, go to the settings, then web browser and clear the browser cache and the cookies. Now you can open the command prompt as an administrator and run the command next int app reset and restart your PC afterward. Now you can check the firewall settings, ensuring that the Steam is allowed through your firewall, and then go to the Windows firewall settings and allow the Steam. Now you can switch to a public DNS like Google DNS for the better connectivity and reinstall the Steam. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the Steam client to ensure all the files are updated and intact. Now you can also consider downloading the Gear Up Booster to optimize your network connection and resolve the server issues effectively. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.